26 camera light painting gig with HP.
Oh, yes.
It's a private party, so we cannot invite you, sorry, but it should be fun. We're going to show a lot of new updates that we did during the last month. And I think it's going to be much better now. We just keep practicing and improving everything, so it should be fun.
A lot of fun, yeah.
Awesome. Okay, let's continue. Oh, I wasn't filming.
Together and put these panels on, and you can see they're like really shiny, and there's these pieces all over the floor. I was like, oh, those are really interesting. Follow me, I'll show you. Come over here. I'm walking around. I discovered this room over here, and all of this stuff here with like shiny, colorful things. So first, we peeled one off. We made a light blade out of it, and then we took this stuff, like this cellophane, and we light painted with it. We just stick our flashlights on it, like this, like a little fluttering bird, and it makes these crazy, like colors, and it looks like a jellyfish, and it's really pretty.